Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hey everyone, welcome to the sixth video in our digital Arabic calligraphy playlist. I am Hamdallah Salama and I'm excited to bring you this community service project from International Open University. In this playlist, we will explore how to install custom fonts in Phonto, and we will learn how to apply fonts to images, designs, and backgrounds. Let's get started. First things first, of course, we will open the Phonto app. Then we will tap the page, the blank canvas. Simply tap it and then click plain images. You can just simply click a plain white page, click use, and that is great. Now we will bring in a new font. We will install a new font. How do we do this? By clicking the pen app at the very top of the Phonto app. Tap it and then click font. Then we go to My Fonts and click How to install fonts. Phonto, keeping in mind that people might want to download their own fonts, had basically created a page online for us to understand exactly how to install fonts. So first things first, we go to Chrome or just any web browser and we Google free fonts, and then we will find sites that provide tons of fonts. In a font site, we choose a favorite font and we press the download button, and so that is exactly what we will do now. We go to a web browser. We are already in a web browser and we will click free fonts. Then you just click any website that you see. All of these are free. I will click the 1001freefonts.com. There we go. These are the lists of fonts that are available. They all look good, as you can see. But I will just use the font at the very top. Rain Day. Click download. You will wait for the zip to finish downloading. Go back out and maybe to download another font, go to a different website, dafont.com. There we go. We have lots of beautiful fonts here. Let's click all the new fonts. These are a lot of the different types of fonts that exist. You can choose whichever one you wish. I will pick the one at the very top, Mondira Script, and this one, Axion. So download. Click download. Can download this one as well. And Mondira Script. So now we have downloaded a total of about 4 fonts. We go back to the Phonto app. Do you see these zips at the very top? These are the fonts that we have downloaded. So how do you bring it into the Phonto app? Simple. You tap the zips and it will ask you, your phone will ask you what you want to open it with. Obviously, since we want to bring it into Phonto, we tap Phonto and click Install. Installed successfully. The remaining 3, open with Phonto, download, install. The last 2, open with Phonto, install. The last 1, open with Phonto and click install. Installed successfully. We have now successfully installed 4 different fonts, new fonts that we had obtained online in Phonto. Click fonts, go to my font, and you will find all of the new fonts and the previous fonts that you had downloaded. It will be arranged in the order of letter, like A to Z. Letter A first, then letter B first, and that's how it goes. So let's pick one of the ones we had downloaded. Let's start this and type example. This is what it looks like. Increase the size. It looks good, does it not? It looks amazing. So now we will actually start applying these fonts on actual designs. So let's go online and go look for some pretty backgrounds that we can use. Save project first. And then we're going to load new images once we come back. So go online and search up sunset background. I intend to make a design that includes something inspiring, like a poster that you can hang up on your wall in your room. Alright, this one. Let's download this. Save image. And then maybe alright, I think that is enough. So we go back to the Phonto app and add an image. We pick the image we just downloaded. We reduce the size of this and put it in a corner up there. Increase the size of this picture. And there we go. We click text and we add a new text. Now, I intend to, like I said previously, write something that is sort of inspiring. So I will just use a simple font, not something complicated. And then I will use one cursive font. So we'll take this, write love, and insert. We change the style of it, make sure it's a white color. And the shadow. And click done. Now we have added the word love onto the screen. Then we make a new text. We write, do what you. Go to font. Click enter. And write done. There we go. Do what you. Increase it in size just a little bit. Style. And apply curving. Done. Do what you love. Maybe reduce the size just a little bit. Then we apply new text. What you do. We also apply cursive to this. Curving. We apply curving to this as well. Increase the spacing. Click done. This is a bit too wide. And there we go. Let's reduce the curving a little bit. I feel like it's a bit much. Let me check what the degree of curving for the original one is. It's 180. Let's check the size as well. 50. Size 50. Style. $180 and click done. Maybe we increase the spacing of this a little bit so we can match. There we go. Let's edit this a little bit. Increase the size. Maybe change the style a little bit. Then click done. And there we go. This is our first design here. It looks alright. So you can download this kind of picture and maybe upload it on your status, maybe turn it into a sticker. It's basically saying do what you love and love what you do. You can download it and save it as JPEG. Save. And there we go. We have made our first poster. Advertisement. And then we can save this as our new project, save it, and then we start a new project. We leave Phonto and we go back. This time we can try something relatively simple. It doesn't have to be super special. Just click Paint Images, choose white, use, and apply text. Done. Increase in size, change the color, maybe increase the spacing slightly. Done. And include this one here. Put it at the center. And then we write is better in. Is small letter. We change the font to something simple. Choose Android clock. Add. Increase it in size slightly. Use the move effect and click OK. Then we add in. What's the size for this? 90. We'll edit this one and make it 90. Then we move it here. There we go. And then we add the word better. We change the font back to the one we just used. Font for this is Anton. So the new word we will write, we use the Anton font. And we write better, but all in caps lock. Done. Increase it in size. Okay, I think we should reduce the size of these. Maybe to 75. And these ones, this one also to 75. So that the word better can have more space. And then we increase the size of better. We should just increase the size of life instead. Life. It gives more space to the rest of the is. Move it upwards so I can click this. Okay, we adjust this and put this here. And then we take the word better. Increase the size of the word better. Alright. And then we add the word pink. All in caps lock. Click done. What's the size of this? 248. We'll change this one to 248 as well. Oh, depending. I'll move it downwards. And then we changed the color of this word pink to the color pink. Click done. And there we go. We have now made a very simple project. This is something that you could just paste on, maybe as a poster to post on your socials, or to maybe download it and print it, maybe hang it on the wall. It's like a very simple thing. Phonto can be used for all sorts of posters. It could be something that has immense meaning. It could be something very simple. And so we download this picture, save, advertisements. And then you save this project. And then you can leave this so that next time you go into Phonto and you want to check the projects that you have, it'll be listed there. Those are the projects that you made. Simple and nice. You can also check them out in your gallery. And you can crop them. Like this one. This one requires a little bit of cropping. You can crop them. And delete this. And there we go. Okay, do what you love what you do poster, and Life is better in pink poster. You can always upload this maybe on your status, socials, WhatsApp. And that is all. We have now successfully created 2 projects for Module 6. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to import your calligraphy from أنا محترف الخط and then importing them onto Phonto, and then we combine the English fonts here with the Arabic calligraphy, and then we create some designs here and there. It will be very simple. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.